Hello friends, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash. I'm here to teach you French language in English. Let's get started. In previous video, I told about the verb avoir, the infinitive, the conjugation, everything positive and negative form. But now you practice it completely well, I know, and you have some information in your mind related to this matter. So we are gonna make some phrases, make some examples with this important verb. Okay guys, as a review, because as you already know, repetition is really important in languages, in learning languages. You must repeat everything all the time, practicing to hack the information in your mind. So, j'ai, the conjugation, j'ai, I have, toi, really quick, toi, you have, il a, he has, elle a, she has, on a, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, ils ont, and elles ont. J'ai, toi, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. This is the affirmative conjugation, and you know that je n'ai pas, tu n'as pas, il n'a pas, elle n'a pas, on n'a pas, nous n'avons pas, vous n'avez pas, ils n'ont pas, and elles n'ont pas. This is the negative form. I will not write them again because I told them before in the previous video. Now guys, about the example, ils ont, sorry, about the examples. The first example, for example, we say vous avez, means, what does it mean? Vous avez means you have. Bravo. Vous avez une voiture. Vous avez une voiture. C'est une question. It's a question. Vous avez une voiture. Vous avez une voiture. Voiture means car. Une voiture, a car. Vous avez une voiture. Do you have a car? Vous avez une voiture. You have a car? You can say in English language by intonation. I will make another video which is really important about questioning, how we can make some questions in French language. But now here, vous avez une voiture means you have a car. Exactly. As a response, you can say oui, yes. Oui means yes. Oui, j'ai. Guys, now you know what does j'ai mean. Exactly. It means j'ai means I have. Oui, yes. J'ai, I have. J'ai une voiture. Bravo. Guys, what now when you are watching my videos, please tell with me, okay? All the time repeat whatever I say with me to learn better. J'ai une voiture. I have a car. Oui, j'ai une voiture. Yes, I have a car. Vous avez une voiture? Do you have a car, or you have a car? With intonation. Or if you want to give a negative response, at that time you say non, je n'ai pas. Oui, you know that what je n'ai pas means. Je n'ai pas, I don't have. Je n'ai pas. Non, je n'ai pas de voiture. De voiture. Oops, guys, but what about this de? This is really important to know what this de means and why we put de in this sentence. De. And when we do it. Exactly, guys. I will tell you the reason. Whenever we have un, une, des, I will make another video in the following videos about the articles, about the definite articles, indefinite articles, everything. But now, if whenever, so far, just know, whenever we have un, de in a positive sentence, when you make that sentence negative, you must put do instead of un, de in the negative sentence. For example, you have this sentence, j'ai une voiture, I have a car. But whenever you want to make it negative and you say I don't have a car, you must say je n'ai pas une voiture. It's not correct. I will write for you. Je n'ai pas une voiture. Guys, this is not correct. Je n'ai pas une voiture. It's not correct. Why it's not correct? Because whenever you have a negative sentence, un, de must be converted to do in the negative sentence. Exactly. So, je n'ai pas de voiture. Je n'ai pas de voiture. Par exemple, for example, I want to say that I have a brother. I have un frère. J'ai un frère. I have a brother. J'ai un frère. I have a brother. But now I want to make it negative and I say I don't have a brother. That's why I must say je n'ai pas de frère. Why I say je n'ai pas de frère? Because un in the positive sentence must be converted to do in the negative sentence. That's easy. But you must pay attention to this matter. Whenever you want to make a negative sentence, instead of un, de, as I wrote them here, you must put do in the negative sentence. So, j'ai un frère, je n'ai pas de frère. J'ai une voiture, je n'ai pas de voiture. J'ai une sœur, I have a sister. J'ai une sœur, je n'ai pas de sœur. Exactly. That you will see in the sentences, in the text in future. So much. So, don't worry about it at all. Okay, guys, another example. The second example is elle a des enfants. Elle a des enfants. In a question form, elle a des enfants. With intonation, elle a des enfants. She has children. Des enfants. Children. Elle a des enfants. She has des enfants. Children. She has children. And you can say oui as a response, as a positive response. You can say oui, yes. Elle a deux enfants. For example, elle a deux enfants. Elle a deux enfants. Oui, elle a deux enfants. Yes, she has two children. Elle a deux enfants. She has two children. Or for example, as a negative response, you can say no, elle n'a pas. Elle n'a pas. Instead of un, de. In the positive sentence, we have de. So in the negative sentence, de must be converted to do. So, elle n'a pas d'enfant. Deux enfants instead of deux enfants. And again, another two vowels meeting each other. So I will delete the first one and I put an apostrophe instead. So, elle n'a pas d'enfant. Elle a des enfants? Oui, elle a deux enfants. Elle a des enfants? No, elle n'a pas d'enfants. She doesn't have any children. This do means any in English language. This do means any in English language. I don't have any brothers. Je n'ai pas de frères. Elle n'a pas d'enfants. She doesn't have any children. Exactly, guys. Another example, the third example is j'ai rendez-vous. J'ai rendez-vous à 15 heures. J'ai rendez-vous à 15 heures. Accent grave. Yeah, like that. Okay. J'ai rendez-vous à 15 heures. I have rendez-vous or appointment. J'ai rendez-vous. I have an appointment à 15 heures. At 3 or at 15 o'clock. At 3 o'clock. J'ai rendez-vous à 15 heures. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. I will make another video about the time, about how to ask what's the time, or what time is it, and how to respond whenever you want to give a person information related to the time. But now here, just know that before any time you must put a. A means at. For example, whenever you want to say at 3 o'clock in English language, you must put at before the time. At 3 o'clock, at 4 o'clock. In French language, you must put a before the time. À 15 heures. À 15 heures. At 3 o'clock. J'ai rendez-vous à 15 heures. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. So this is an example about related to the verb avoir. Nous avons another, for example, another example. Nous avons, we have, nous avons une réunion, meeting. Réunion means meeting. Nous avons une réunion. We have a meeting. Nous avons une réunion. We have a meeting. Okay, guys, I have a question for you. If you want to make this sentence negative and tell we don't have a meeting, what do? You must say nous n'avons pas une voiture. Nous n'avons pas de réunion. Pardon, nous n'avons pas de réunion. I told voiture. Réunion. Sorry. Nous n'avons pas de réunion. Don't say nous n'avons pas une réunion, because I told you whenever we have un, une, de, in a positive sentence, you must put do instead. Un must be converted to do in the negative sentence. Nous n'avons pas de réunion. We don't have a meeting. For example, you can put aujourd'hui at the end. Aujourd'hui at the end. You can say nous n'avons pas de réunion aujourd'hui. Nous n'avons pas de réunion aujourd'hui. We don't have a meeting. We don't have any meetings today. Exactly. And guys, the last example for today, for this video, is ils ont un bon professeur. Ils ont un bon professeur. Ils ont means they have un bon professeur, a good professor, a good teacher at university. Ils ont un bon professeur. Ils ont un bon professeur. They have a good teacher at university, or they have a good professor. And as a short form, instead of professeur, you can say prof. Ils ont, for example, ils ont un bon prof. Ils ont un bon prof means ils ont un bon professeur. They have a good teacher at university, they have a good professor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Really practice this important verb, the conjugation, negative form, positive form, and make so many examples for you. If you have any examples in your mind, you can write in the comments and I will make them correct for you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good time, guys.